So, is this the first time you're taking a session?
Yeah, this is my first time with you, right?
Right, yeah.
Mhm.
But have you taken these sessions
Yeah,
before as well?
yeah. I have been on clapingo for a month.
All right.
Mhm.
And how has your experience been so far?
Yeah, my experience has been great. All experts are different, so everyone with has a different experience, I can say. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So overall, it's good.
It's good. You're liking it?
Yeah, yeah. I like it.
Nice. Is there any suggestion or feedback for me?
No, this is my first session with you. So right now I don't have any suggestion or feedback. First, let's ask some question and answer. Then at last we will talk about, right?
Right. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So, do you have any questions?
Okay. So can I know a little bit about you?
Sure.
Uh,
Right. What?
yeah. Can I know a little bit about you?
Yeah, sure. My name is Sanvi, and I am from Uttar Pradesh. And currently, I'm pursuing my master's degree in psychology. What about you?
Okay. Yeah. Great to hear. Can I know a little bit about your hobbies? And right now you are doing in a college, right? Little bit of your
I
hobbies
am.
and your future goal.
Future goals, I'm not so certain right now, but I do like photography and music, so that's nice. What about you?
Okay, great to know that. And I'm sure you must love taking a random picture, right? This is
Kind of.
nice.
Yeah, what about you?
Okay. So as you know, my name is Priyanka. I am same from UP. Currently, I'm in Hyderabad. I hold an MBA degree. Now I'm a mother. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel where I upload conversational videos and sometimes solos video too. Apart from
Hmm.
that, my hobbies, I love playing badminton and talking to new people these days. I developed this hobby and I really enjoy talking to new people. Sometimes it's really great way to learn something with them and spending time with my family. So yeah, that's all about me.
That's really nice to
Yeah.
know. So tell me, you're also from Uttar Pradesh, right? And now you're in Hyderabad, right?
Mhm.
So how
Yeah.
has the change been, and for how long have you been in Hyderabad?
Okay, so I have been here for last 5 years, and there are a great difference. If I talk about weather, food, everything is completely different from UP to Hyderabad, like from northern India to southern India, right? So there are a big difference. Like if I talk about weather, so here weather is always pleasant and cloud. There is no winter and it's rain, sometimes it's rainy here, and especially March and May, that 2 month is scorching hot. The 2 months are scorching hot.
Mm,
Apart from
mm,
that, rest of the months are really very pleasant, cloudy, nice, and sometimes it's rainy. And if I talk about in UP, so in UP we feel everything, sometimes extremely cool, extremely hot, rainy.
right.
Right, so we feel all kinds of weather. If I talk about food, so here people loves to eat rice. I'm sure you must have heard of paradise biryani. That is one of the famous here, and people loves to eat. Even though if I talk about me, so I don't like too much spicy food, and that's the reason I am not too much into a rice. And I have seen most of the people who are from north, they choose roti, right, compared to rice. So I'm also the same. And here idli, dosa, and punugulu, these are very famous food. We can get anywhere, and people love to eat every day. So these are, and if I talk about in UP, so in UP, like samosa, chaat, these are very famous. Pani puri, kachori. So these are the thing that is very famous in UP. And here the native language is Telugu. People speak Telugu, and they also know English, and some people know Hindi too. and in UP people speak only Hindi. So these are a difference here. But overall, I think I'm an adoptable person and I love to be here. I love to be a part of Southern India. I really enjoy each culture, this language, weather, everything. I'm happy here. So overall, I think we all should be adoptable. Wherever we are, we should be happy. All right.
Right. That is really nice to know. I have never been to Hyderabad, but hearing you speak, I felt like I was there only because you were explaining in such a nice manner. So that was nice. So you said that in Hyderabad there are like other languages that are also spoken, right?
Wait.
So how was that experience?
Oh, hello. Yeah.
Hello, everything
Uh,
all right?
yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay. Did something happen?
Yeah, my son started crying and he
Oh,
something. Yeah, that's why
is
I.
he all right now?
Yeah, no, he is okay.
All right.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, so you were saying something. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to ask you one thing. If someone wants to speak this language, even though that person can understand, right, right, but that person is not able to speak this language. So what should they do? How anybody can become a fluent in this language?
So how I practiced my English speaking
Mhm.
was I started reading uh, newspapers or books, for example, novels, etc. And then I started listening to music in
Mhm.
English.
Okay.
So, for example, artists from America and other states where English is spoken, right? So that helped me to understand what the person is saying.
Mhm.
So that helped me a lot. And after that, you have to find people who also speak English. But I think that is not a problem for you since you are here on this platform.
Exactly.
So, yeah. So that helps you to speak English also. So first reading and then listening to it and then speaking. So yeah, that.
Yeah, definitely, I can understand. And yeah, and this is the truth that listening really helps us. Sometimes what happens, we just want to learn only grammar, right? But it doesn't work out until you don't listen, until you don't practice. So sometimes practice and listening is very important, all right? Yeah, same thing. Even I also feel like I think practice is very important. So, where are you from? Do you have a kind of involvement to speak this language?
I I so when I was in school, that is when I really started working on my spoken English. So I would ask my friends if they could help me out, and so it was beneficial for both of us to speak because their spoken English was also getting
Mhm.
better, right? It was improving. So
Yeah.
that, and then afterwards, I participated in activities where I was required to speak English. This is one of those activities. So you have to let yourself take risks and, expose yourself to challenging environments
Yeah,
to learn English. So, yeah, that.
yeah, it's complete. Yeah, I completely agree with you because sometimes we don't want to take any risk. We don't want to take any challenge, right? Sometimes if we feel like, no, it's really hard, I can't do this, then we hold ourselves back. Even I also do sometimes I hold myself back. Like if we need to go to on a stage and say something over there, then what happens? Sometimes we hold ourselves back. But this time, if we push our limit, if we go there and speak something on the stage, definitely we need to muster the courage over there. But once we start speaking,
Right.
everything becomes simple. I have realized several times. Yeah. So I
With
think
that,
important.
yeah, you were saying something.
No, yeah, I was saying sometimes it's really very hard to cross our limit, right? We all live into our boundary, right? But sometimes if you want to do something extra, then definitely we have to push ourselves to do something more. Then we can get something extra in our life.
That's right. That's completely right.
Uh,
So I think our time is almost over. Uh, we
uh,
had time till 4:15, right?
oh no, here is 6:13 only. So I think we have
Yeah,
7 minutes, right?
we have some time. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So do you have any, is there any specific thing that you are working on right now in your spoken English, or is there any specific feedback that you require?
No, I don't have any specific problem, but yeah, sometimes I feel like whenever I speak too much, so sometimes I get stuck somewhere. It can happen because of lack of vocab, or sometimes, words that don't come in my mind. So this kind of problem I'm facing, and I know there is only one solution is practice. And that's
That's
why I'm
right.
on this platform and I am doing practice. And people who are facing this kind of problem, and this is the best way to practice. And I think there is no any other way, right? Sometimes I am into a writing, I want to write journal and all, but sometimes I just procrastinate, or sometimes I don't get time, that's why I don't write. Are you into a writing? Do you love to write journal and all?
I do write journals, but it's not something
Every day?
that I do at a regular basis. I Whenever I am feeling a lot of emotions, or if I'm feeling overwhelmed, then I will write down something. But it's not something I do on a regular basis.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah,
Then how do
yeah,
you practice your pronunciation? In the English, pronunciation is very important. So how do you,
that's right.
yeah, how do you practice? Like any hard word or anything?
So if I come across a new word and I don't know how it is pronounced, I would simply search it on Google, and it has a button that tells you how it is pronounced, right?
Mm,
So that, and then I try using it in my daily conversations. So if
mm,
I learn some new word, then I'll try to include that in my conversations.
mm,
So that helps. And then again, making friends who also want to improve their English, and so that you can talk to them on a regular basis, that also helps. And then again, listening to music, since I like listening to music anyway, so that doesn't feel like an extra work that I have to do. So
okay.
yeah,
Can you
yeah.
share any new word that you have learned recently? Any word?
uh right, a new word that I learned recently is intrigued.
Okay,
It
intrigue, right?
intrigued, yeah, intrigued. And
Mm-hmm.
it basically means when you come across a new information and you are fascinated by it, you're surprised by it. So I can say that after hearing about your experiences in Hyderabad, I am intrigued and now I want to visit the city. I can say that.
Oh
Yeah.
wow, that's great. What I do whenever I face any difficulties to pronounce any new word, I just go to ChatGPT and I ask there how to pronounce this word, and then
Mm.
ChatGPT give me, that breakdown form of the word in
Right.
English and Hindi too. So that really helped me a lot.
He's very adorable. Yeah.
So that
But
helped
right.
me a lot. Yeah.
All right. Priyanka, it was really nice talking to you. If you have any feedback for me, you can share.
You really speak well, and everyone has their own experience. So I think you are a new, but it's okay. You are speaking very well. You know how to explain the things, and also overall, I am happy with you the way you are speaking with me. So I have such a great conversation with you.
Thank you for saying that, and all the best on your journey too. improving your English.
Yeah.
And I hope we meet again.
Hmm.
All right.
Okay, bye bye.
Yep. Bye.